Mushrooms are a delicious and nutritious food, but when combined with certain other foods, they can pose serious health risks. Today, we'll explore 10 foods you should never eat with mushrooms. This information could be crucial for protecting your health. 1. Alcohol. Consuming alcohol with mushrooms can be extremely dangerous. Some mushroom varieties, when combined with alcohol, can cause severe adverse reactions. Certain compounds in mushrooms can interfere with alcohol metabolism, leading to symptoms like headaches, nausea, and vomiting. In severe cases, it may even lead to breathing difficulties or heart problems. What's more shocking is that the combination of some mushrooms and alcohol can create toxic substances in the body. These toxins can cause liver damage and, in extreme cases, even death. It's advisable to avoid alcohol for at least 48 hours after consuming mushroom dishes. The risk is particularly high with wild mushrooms. Some species contain coprin, a compound that reacts badly with alcohol, causing a reaction similar to that of disulfiram, a medication used to treat alcoholism. This reaction can cause flushing, sweating, headaches, and even heart palpitations. 2. Dairy products. Eating mushrooms with dairy products like milk, cheese, or yogurt can lead to digestive issues. Certain enzymes in mushrooms can interfere with the breakdown of dairy proteins, potentially causing stomach pain, diarrhea, and bloating. This combination is especially problematic for those with sensitive digestive systems. The mushroom's complex carbohydrates and the dairy's lactose can create a perfect storm in your gut, leading to fermentation and gas production. In some cases, this can even lead to temporary lactose intolerance symptoms. It's best to avoid dairy products for at least 2 hours after consuming mushroom dishes. If you must have dairy, consider taking a digestive enzyme supplement to help your body process the combination more effectively. 3. Fish. Combining mushrooms with fish can increase the risk of food poisoning. Some compounds in mushrooms can accelerate the decay of fish, leading to increased histamine production. This can result in allergic reactions such as hives, nausea, and headaches. Even more alarming, some studies suggest that this combination might increase the risk of certain types of cancer. While more research is needed, it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid this combination for your health's sake. The risk is particularly high with raw or undercooked fish. The enzymes in mushrooms can break down the fish's proteins more quickly, potentially leading to the formation of harmful compounds. If you must eat both, ensure the fish is thoroughly cooked, and consider consuming them in separate meals. 4. Fruit. Eating mushrooms with fruit can lead to indigestion and interfere with nutrient absorption. Certain compounds in mushrooms can hinder the breakdown of fruit sugars, potentially causing gas, stomach pain, and diarrhea. Moreover, this combination can significantly reduce the absorption of vitamin C. What's truly surprising is that some fruit and mushroom combinations can create toxic substances in the body. This can lead to symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and in severe cases, even hallucinations. It's advisable to avoid fruit for at least 3 hours after consuming mushroom dishes. The risk is particularly high with citrus fruits. The high acid content of these fruits can react with compounds in mushrooms, potentially leading to the formation of harmful substances. If you enjoy both mushrooms and fruit, it's best to consume them at different times of the day. 5. Legumes. Consuming mushrooms with legumes can cause serious digestive problems. Both foods are known to be difficult to digest, and when combined, these issues can be exacerbated. This can lead to severe gas, bloating, and constipation. What's more shocking is that this combination can promote the accumulation of toxins in the body. Over time, this could lead to decreased liver function and a weakened immune system. For optimal health, it's best to consume mushrooms and legumes at least 4 hours apart. The risk is particularly high for those with sensitive digestive systems or existing gastrointestinal conditions. The complex carbohydrates in both mushrooms and legumes can overwhelm the digestive system, leading to fermentation in the gut and potentially harmful bacterial overgrowth. 6. Garlic. Eating mushrooms with garlic can lead to unexpected health issues. Both foods contain powerful antioxidants, but when consumed together, they can actually increase oxidative stress in the body. This can manifest as fatigue, headaches, and decreased immunity. Even more surprising is that this combination can affect blood clotting. This can be particularly dangerous for people taking blood thinners. It can increase the risk of bleeding, and in severe cases, even lead to cerebral hemorrhage. It's safer to consume mushrooms and garlic separately. The risk is especially high when both are consumed raw or in large quantities. The compounds in raw garlic and mushrooms are more potent and can interact more strongly. If you enjoy both, consider cooking them thoroughly and consuming them in moderation. 7. Meat. Combining mushrooms with meat can interfere with protein absorption. Certain compounds in mushrooms can hinder the breakdown of meat proteins, leading to indigestion, reduced nutrient absorption, and potential weight gain. What's truly alarming is that this combination can promote the growth of harmful bacteria in the gut. This could lead to chronic inflammation, weakened immunity, and even an increased risk of colon cancer. For better health, it's advisable to consume mushrooms and meat at least 5 hours apart. The risk is particularly high with red meat. The high iron content in red meat can interact with compounds in mushrooms, potentially leading to the formation of harmful free radicals in the body. If you enjoy both, consider having them in separate meals, or balancing the combination with plenty of vegetables. 8. Tomatoes. Eating mushrooms with tomatoes can trigger unexpected allergic reactions. The combination of certain compounds in these foods can promote histamine release in the body. This can lead to symptoms like skin rashes, itching, and difficulty breathing. What's more shocking is that this combination can promote acidification in the body. Over time, this could lead to bone loss, kidney problems, and an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. It's best to enjoy mushrooms and tomatoes in separate meals. The risk is especially high for those with existing allergies or sensitivities. The combination of mushrooms and tomatoes can exacerbate these conditions, potentially leading to more severe reactions. If you enjoy both, consider consuming them at different times of the day and monitoring your body's response. 9. Coffee. Consuming mushrooms with coffee can unexpectedly amplify the effects of caffeine. Certain compounds in mushrooms can interfere with caffeine metabolism, potentially worsening symptoms like anxiety, insomnia, and increased heart rate. Even more alarming is that this combination can significantly decrease iron absorption in the body. Over time, this could lead to anemia, chronic fatigue, and weakened immunity. For better health, it's advisable to avoid coffee for at least 6 hours after consuming mushroom dishes. The risk is particularly high for those sensitive to caffeine or with existing heart conditions. The interaction between mushrooms and coffee can lead to more severe caffeine-related symptoms, potentially putting unnecessary stress on the heart and nervous system. 10. Eggs. Lastly, eating mushrooms with eggs can cause a rapid increase in cholesterol levels. Both foods are high in cholesterol, and when consumed together, their effects can be compounded. This can significantly increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. What's truly surprising is that this combination can disrupt the body's amino acid balance. This could lead to muscle loss, decreased immune function, and hormonal imbalances. For optimal health, it's best to consume mushrooms and eggs at least 4 hours apart. The risk is especially high for those with existing high cholesterol or cardiovascular issues. The combination of mushrooms and eggs can put additional stress on the cardiovascular system, potentially leading to more severe health problems over time. In conclusion, while mushrooms are undoubtedly a nutritious food, it's crucial to be mindful of what you eat them with. The interactions between different foods can have significant impacts on our health, both positive and negative. By understanding these interactions, we can make more informed decisions about our diet and protect our health. It's important to note that individual responses to food combinations can vary based on personal constitution and health status. Always pay attention to how your body reacts and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns. A healthy diet isn't just about eating nutritious foods, it's also about consuming them in the right combinations and at the right times. Remember, moderation is key. While these combinations should generally be avoided, occasional consumption is unlikely to cause severe problems in most healthy individuals. However, if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications, it's especially important to be cautious and consult with your doctor about potential food interactions. Thank you for watching this video on foods you should never eat with mushrooms. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button and turn on notifications. Your support motivates us to continue providing valuable health information. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more fascinating health topics.